Dear viewers, today I want to share with you a few sentences which are very useful in our daily life. These will help you to speak up in English, make you more confident. Just one request to you, you have to tell with me. Let's get started. At first, I can't explain it to you. I can't explain it to you. When it comes time you can't express yourself to your friend or your colleague, then you can say, I can't explain it to you. Very simple expression. Or you fail to convince your friends, you can use this, I can't explain it to you. I can't explain it to you. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? Suppose your friends are very angry on you and you don't know the reason behind it. In that case, you can use the expression, what have I done to you? What have I done to you? Or you are just forcing your friend to know something, to know the reason. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? Next one is, try to understand a little. Try to understand a little. You are going to pacify your friend by telling this, something serious you have done. Your friend could not realize that and you want to manage him. Then you can say, try to understand a little. Try to understand a little. I can no longer. I can no longer. You are tired by doing a specific job. You are not interested at all to continue it. You want to stop it. So you can say, I can no longer. I can no longer. Or when someone is bored on his activities, you can say, I can no longer. I can no longer. Next one is, don't listen the words hard. Don't listen the words hard. In our daily life, in our gossip, we use this expression. You don't need to pay attention to some topic or some issue because that might be wrong. Only then you can say, don't listen the words hard. Besides, there may have a rumor. You want to warn your friend. Then you can say, don't listen the word hard. Don't listen the words hard. And the next one is very simple and commonly used. How can I help you? How can I help you? You have observed someone is in trouble. You want to help him. Then you can say, how can I help you? How can I help you? When a person can't do a specific thing, you should say him, how can I help you? How can I help you? I thought the matter differently. I thought the matter differently. It is seen that your assumption is not correct. You think it differently. Only then you can say this, I thought the matter differently. I thought the matter differently. Please don't blow your nose. Please don't blow your nose. We often say that, don't interrupt me, don't disturb me. If you say this, don't blow your nose. That will be more smart. When you see that someone is engaged in your personal topics, you don't want to engage him in that. You can say, don't blow your nose. Please don't blow your nose. That's not what you think. That's not what you think. This expression means that someone is not correct in his thought. You want to make him correct. In this regard, you can say, that's not what you think. That's not what you think. The next expression is that, I can't be late anymore. I can't be late anymore. Sometimes you are in a hurry. You don't have enough time to spend with your friend. You can say that, I can't be late anymore. I can't be late anymore. Or you have already stayed in a place and you want to leave the place. You can say, I can't be late anymore. I can't be late anymore. Next one is common one. I can't speak English in shame. I can't speak English in shame. This expression is common in Bangla. You have learned much English but can't speak in English. The reason behind it is your shame. You have to speak up. You have to avoid your shame. Trust me, the person laugh at you will definitely praise when you will be able in speaking English. So in this state, you should express yourself by saying this: I can't speak English in shame. I can't speak English in shame. Next one is, we all responsible for this mistake. We all responsible for this mistake. Something happened in your office or in your home. You want to take the responsibility. Only then you can say, we all responsible for this mistake. We are all responsible for this mistake. Or it happens that sometimes we can't avoid the responsibility, avoid our mistakes. So we can say, we are all responsible for this mistake. We are all responsible for this mistake. I swear to God, I am telling the truth. I swear to God, I am telling the truth. You want to make understand that you are right, your words is true. Then you can say, I swear to God, I am telling the truth. You are just emphasizing your words by saying this: I swear to God, I am telling the truth. My words will come true one day. My words will come true one day. When you are saying something with your friend that is right, and you want to say that your assumption will be right in future, then you can say, my words will come true one day. My words will come true one day. I tried to convince him, but he did not listen to me. I tried to convince him, but he did not listen to me. When you wholeheartedly tried to convince your friend to manage his friend, but he did not pay any attention, pay any heed to your words, then you should say, I tried to convince him, but he did not listen to me. Or you have said someone the same things for several times, but he did not understand you. Then you can say, I tried to convince him, but he did not listen to me. I tried to convince him, but he did not listen to me. One thing, before leaving you, you must use this expression for several times. You have to use this if you want to be fluent in English or you want to be more smart in your expression. That's all today. Thank you for watching me.